Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into the exciting world of Airtable, and I'll be teaching you how to build a performance metrics dashboard. First up, we're going to create a new base in Airtable. Go to your home screen, click on the Add a Base button, and select Start from Scratch. This step is crucial because our base is where all the data for our dashboard will live. Now that we've done that, the next step is to create a table for your metrics. Click on the plus next to Tables in the left sidebar. Name your table and add fields for each metric you want to track. The reason we do this is to organize our data effectively. Remember, each field should represent a different metric. Next up, let's input our data. Click on the first cell under each field and enter the appropriate information. This step is vital because our dashboard will be pulling data directly from these entries. Now, here's what's happening behind the scenes. As you input data, Airtable automatically updates your dashboard in real time. Isn't that cool? Moving on, it's time to create your dashboard. Click on Apps in the top right corner, then plus Add an App. Select Summary from the list and click Add to Base. The reason we do this is to start visualizing our data so we can see patterns and trends more clearly. After adding the Summary app, now comes the fun part, customizing your dashboard. Use the Chart Type dropdown to select the type of chart you want for each metric. This helps us because different chart types can present data in different ways, providing unique insights. Let me explain why this matters. Your dashboard is a visual representation of your data, so it's important to present that data in a way that's easy to understand and actionable. Now that we have our charts, let's arrange them in a way that makes sense. Drag and drop your charts into position. This step is important to keep your dashboard organized, making it easier for you to interpret your data at a glance. And there you have it. You've just built a performance metrics dashboard in Airtable. To quickly wrap up, today we've created our base, set up our table, input our data, and designed a dashboard that clearly visualizes our metrics. With your new dashboard, you're now equipped to monitor your performance metrics effectively. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.